you Joseph. Regardez là-bas. See, Lorlor, sit down carefully and listen to Baba with a smile. Now, don't say me, I don't get person at the joint. Anybody will do anyhow, I will let her know where I belong to. Anybody will do well, I go praise them. You understand me so? For this time now, Lorlor, you see the UK where you go, the party where you go for Manchester. See the way the people embrace you. See the way the people they celebrate you, they call you Lorlor, they snap with you. Now they say you good though. You won't do your body. But I want to use God. I want to advise you, Lorlor. That alone, it reach where you take change your character. Lorlor, that party where you go, where you say even your husband was saying, your husband they dance. You want to sweet me, not be even you. You want to sweet me pass. You want to just sweet me pass. Now the dance where your husband they dance. Now sweet me pass for all of them. Nobody should call me now. Nobody should call now. But now I'm gonna pause after I finish with the talk now. Pick up. The dance where your husband they dance. Now sweet me pass. Your husband finish work for me. You see the way people they dance with your husband. You see the way your husband was happy. Fully happy. If you look at that man, if you be the kind of person where they read body movement, you go, no, say that man was having joy. He fully enjoyed himself in that occasion. And people were happy to see you. Lorlor, keep that thing as a very good lesson for you to know, say, it's good to be good. You see all this tabedian, what do they do? Carry your lie where? Carry your lie where? Lorlor, I talk so carry your lie where? Money cannot go to that kind of party without Bruce. Make people celebrate, make people even dance with her like that. Our own sister, our way Benin sister, she not go enter that kind of party with all the atrocity what she don't do, with all the onyenge, with all those raw things what she don't do. Make she go that kind of party, make they even celebrate her, or the way we snap with her. She not go be fish crack. She not go put you try anything like that. If I have a more, for you to even enter that party with joy and peace, start to do good. If you know, say if you get what you do way bad, change from it and carry your life well. That one is a very good example to all the presenters. All of us presenters. Lorlor, you see that party where you go, so it's an example to all the female presenters where they pom. When they gossip like tomorrow that day, that's not marry one man for us. Why are they palo one and they gossip like who are your doctor? Why are you your doctor? That one a good example. When I go to party the other day, when I see the one that they embrace myself, apart from Kate is the only problem where we get for that party. I don't want to talk to Kate since then. Because you know what? I still give you that respect. Say, who that I call a marriage? No, I are go. By this time, I a honeymoon. At this time, or when if you marry a man will get rest of mind, you as a woman supposed to get rest of mind. By this time, you and your husband supposed to say honeymoon. You really do. If not when marriage at university, you call them. I don't know what you call the marriage. You and your husband not supposed to do the honeymoon. You they come down for marriage altar. You they enter saga. I don't do like this. The look you since then. Unyi tosi no guwa. Ewa pa yare no gbe agia. Ewa pa yare no gbe agia. There we go. Oh what gbe. Lorlor, you see these things where happen that day for that Manchester. Just thank God. That joy where they give you, that happiness, that respect where they give you. Position yourself as a queen because they treat you like a queen. They treat your husband like a king. Position yourself and position your family. Give them that respect. You see Monica, forget Monica. Me Monica the Zuo. See Monica, why? Do your own. Let go of anything with between you and Monica. Let go. Then this your goddaughter. Oh goddaughter. You understand? I don't tell you now. Nothing like God's daughter, nothing like God's son for Europe. They are all evil, trying to know more things about you to go and give your opponents. Now just the truth is, hey Bianca, Okay, tabedian go e wansa. Or tabedian. Or tabedian. Or tabedian. Or tabedian. No. Or go like no hena famous by fire by force. Oh man, what you are going to fade down. Bianca, when a body yeah, go over, they will go. Well, banya. It don't know but they know that. What you knew what with the people. All no, all this why in our one young while in my dad wow, I see not clear. He only why yakua, no why am waka come no what one the bua. One the bua. One the bua. Because I go one say, who are de or don't know you what you o hanjo da fon go agun hanjo ya go agun wa yo pe agere hun tere webo hun de live video you are born on la agun when you pe agere hun de ni pe ta ti gun webo ni ta wa wo o wa du wa hun yin o wa hun yin e mo ni ka wa ro wa ya ro yo bo pem e GPC ayo yo wa e GPC gbe agia e GPC no ho ho Bianca wo izu ase. Bianca wo wa ho ase. Ogo no ma henegbe. Ogo no pride as a woman. You don't have pride as a woman. You don't have dignity as a woman. You cannot hold on to yourself and say, let this be. Let me tell you one thing. You who because who let him ya gile ho ho. Who we go we ala gbo wan wa we bu. They to go like no na gbo. Who are we no is your godmother. What boy I endorse one as a godmother. Who endorse one as your godmother? Who we have information again? Have you come away? Have you going on? What have you going on? Is that really born on our way? We were born on our way, Hena. The depression was to what Boo got. Depression. I don't want to come at all. Oh, I tell him, Dunga, who Yabus Yakin, who tell you aqua. Equal. The webu. What my area? What look at what my no la bona. But I get no bona. E we ki wa iguan we po. Na be secret we la dia. Na be secret we la dia. Ni be bona bolu wa skin. E bien kana ho ho. E ba ki gbe agia. E bien ka fi kodi. E bien ka bino. A bin wele. Ye wo ga when ya ti we easy. Voice record no we mo ge money kan. Uma na voice record no gnya o. Saga continue. Voice record no na mo ere, uma na mo gugu me. Iba bo hia la we gbe ye na. Na me and you dey talk so, live and direct. Voice record no record no we ye phone no record no. Phone no we automatic o ma automatic. That voice record you forward to Monica. That voice record will forward about this man. You want to forward the woman. Mo here the voice recording now. When you want to forward the voice record the woman, you have your name is not listed in my saga list. Your name is listed in my saga list. For you to record that voice record, and that voice record is not played to the general public. If I bola we last check up. Yeah, now saga why saga woman I must give you my injection. If you don't, you are on social media. We are on a live video now. Easy hair empire. We are on a this is a sound one. We are on a because we are true life. A person could know when you are going forward the person. If you don't forward that easy, you can see my WhatsApp number there now. Who are forward the very you have almost check up almost last car. Because why? For you to record a Monica, keep it. And you confirm to your second or where we're not by where you are going to play it. Now you now keep people are waiting. Because why? GPC has started chatting you. They have been chatting you. Oh, well, oh, where anyone was zoyang. If I bought a bit easy. Oh, I was Google it. The whole social media as a whole. You think you are talking to a fools? Oh, Gunamo Boa. Abu na de ko mo ko yo mo ko no ti bi enu e When you want to what the video ni kune, you got to be like they use the way as a full topic. I only have man, let me tell you. I only have man. Eh, so much no jeni ya ohia legal. Who are here with that way legal? Who are here with the wagon member? Who are about to wagon member? Out here legal. A joke. So be able to trouble social media. If my you watch show us that phone what him one. Ye or send work back cooking for years. Easy, no, it's not easy. You better up binanu for years. Yeah, I don't watch you now. Yeah, I go. Is it better back well or chest and no check and no check? Any has no kind of not check and no better. Any has no better now. Nothing now. You now or say walking. I'm not because I'm being going. What? Imagine going where is then. I just let them be. Don't wait on or you to record. Or give a record then. That she's not. Monica is not team for me anyway. Attending. Here you go. When you can't buy a church anyway. A saga in women young wearing. Mo we times 2. Even when Mohani, no man we be record me. May never about this man all young way times 2. Because of what the twag of